Alright, welcome to my channel guys, and today I'm going to unbox the lanyard for my AirPod Pro 2. As we can see right here, I got the AirPods Pro 2 about a couple weeks ago, and I ordered the lanyard at the same time, and I received it today. As we can see right here, this is the package. And I already opened this package, but let's take out what we got inside. So there you go. This is the lanyard, and it came in this box. And as we can see right here, it is Incase Lanyard right there. And if we look at on the side, Incase, it wrapped in like really cool, really premium paper. And let's take this off. It's wrapped as a gift. I like it. So let's rip it off and take it out. This is the paper right here. And now, if we look at it, it doesn't says Apple anywhere, but I did order it from Apple. As we can see on the back of the box, we got a lanyard, and then we got a little description right here. And in the bottom, we got the barcode right here. And let's open up and let's see what we got in the box. So we're gonna open up from this side right here. And okay, there you go. What else we got in there? Nothing in there. Just let's put this box on the side, and as we can see, this is the lanyard right here, and back of it. Let's focus, and as we can see right here, there's a lot of writing on the back of the package, and if you guys want to read, you guys can pause the video and read it. And it's really small fine print. So let's take it out of this. So there you go. And now I'm gonna come out like this, like that, and pull it out. So I'm gonna put this on the side. So I ordered a gray color right here, as you guys can see. It's feel really premium. It's I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. It's a braided, the handle right here, and it's pretty cool, really nice. The premium touch to it. And now let's put it on my AirPod 2, and it's gonna go like this. Like that. As we can see, it's gonna come out, and now we can just tie it like that. All right, it's really tight. So sorry guys, it's taking me a minute to put it on. Really tiny. Okay, so there you go. As we can see right there, this is what it looked like. And as we can see right there, let me focus on it. And this is the lanyard on the AirPod 2 right here. That's what it looked like. I mean, I like it. It's not too bad. And what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So this is my AirPod 2 Pro 2. And if you got a lanyard from Apple, let me know in the comments below. And it wasn't that bad. I mean, it was only like almost $13, and I think I like it so far. I will use it, and I'll let you guys know. If you guys have any question, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer any question you have. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It is free to subscribe, and if you subscribe, that will help the channel a lot. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.